for Christmas vacation. You got farm chores to do, little girl. We got the door finally fixed. Your light is working. I just couldn't see it. Good morning, babies. Good morning. Hello, Betty. Bumpy. Good morning. You ready for your breakfast? Go get it. Just set it here and go get his food. What's Panda doing? Oh, Panda sleeping. Panda sleeping. Stuck the video camera in there. I just stuck the video camera through the door. I'll open his door in a minute. Can I get in and give you some food?
Yeah.
Panda's got his very own stall now. And he's not as sore as he was yesterday morning. He got his bucket, his feed. We just take his door right off and stand it beside the other one. This door is now on hinges, so it blocks him from the piglets and the pigs. You see a little bit of blood on him. He's got a big spot on the side right here. He went to jump the fence that we put up here, and he actually hooked himself. It looks worse than what it is. It's actually not that bad. He just cut himself just a little bit. See? He hooked himself on a nail. So he's alright. Daddy came and nursed him and cleaned his wound up. That's why it looks like he's got a mat right here where the blood is. It is matted, but it's also Darren put some Vaseline on his wound so it won't get infected. Alright. It's chicken duty time. Duty!
Duty!
Duty duty!
Panda duty.
Yeah, well, we gotta clean some pig duty after.
Oh no.
And you'll know, we're in a winter wonderland. 2 days from Christmas.
Yeah, we're going.
We finally got some snow.
We're going to have a white Christmas.
Panda,
What?
you having breakfast?
Yeah. Leave me alone.
You'll see Panda's on his tether again. For his own safety. My hand won't fit. I'm gonna open the door. It's the piggy family. It's the piggy family. It's Bump, Betty,
Peanut and butter.
Peanut and butter.
Peanut butter jelly time.
Hey. I see 3. And a girl that's... Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Charlie Brown. How you doing? Hi, Hulk. So, this is my second time in here today. We had our eggs. So we got 4 so far today. I have to keep checking more often because it is the new girls. And you notice that's 2 of my new girls right there. You notice the difference in them since we got them. But unfortunately, another difference is they're eating my eggs. It's very noisy in here, and I apologize. They're eating my eggs, so I have to keep checking them, checking their water, checking everything in here more often. I finally got an egg from her yesterday. They're the most beautiful, her and her. The most beautiful light beige eggs I've ever seen, like a cream color egg. So yeah, right now, because of this, I have to keep checking the eggs 3 to 5 times a day. So if I'm going outside, I go check. If I'm going to the car, I go check. It takes 30 seconds to check the eggs. Hi, Charlie Brown. Isn't he the prettiest rooster? I want to get a nice feel. Isn't he so pretty? Oh, he's gorgeous. So yeah, we're checking eggs more often. And this is something that just happens with new animals. No dog. So Hennessy's playing in the snow. He loves snow. Hey, baby. Hey. So Betty's now letting me pet her. Bumpy. Hi, Bumpy. Bumpy, bump, bump, bump. Piglets are still a little bit curious. Betty's getting a lot better. Betty getting a lot better. We're gonna try and get your door open. Silly Darren. Seal the shut. And then you guys can go outside. Bump, bump. Bump, bump. Come here, Bump, bump. Bump. Come here, Bump. Bumpy. Hi, honey. Hey, sweetheart. Hi, honey. What are you doing? So yeah, that's the video for today, showing you the new babies, showing you the new modifications to the old barn. Reason why we're checking eggs more often, and enjoying the snow. We got lots of snow last night. So winter's here. Enjoy and have a great Christmas, everybody.